Don't ever polish your car until you understand this. Right now, we're working on this blue Toyota. It looks clean, the paint looks good, everything seems fine. But what most people don't see is what's actually sitting on the surface. Tiny dirt, dust, all these small particles. And if you rush this step or wipe it the wrong way, you can easily scratch the whole car. That's why before we even touch any machine, we take our time going around the car, making sure it's properly cleaned and safe. Because one small mistake here can cost you the entire paint job. Don't ever polish your car until you understand this. Right now, Jake is applying the polish. And if you look closely, he's not just spreading it randomly. He's placing small dots across the bonnet of this blue Toyota. Nice and controlled. And I know some of you are thinking, why not just pour it and go crazy? Relax, this is not cooking pap, this is paintwork. Those small dots are important because they help spread the polish evenly, so you don't overload one area and burn through the clear coat. Now here's where most people mess up. They rush this part, they use too much product, or they start the machine before spreading it properly. And boom, polish flying everywhere, wasting product and making a mess. What you're supposed to do is keep it controlled, spread it evenly before you even think about speed. And another thing, not every polish is the same. Some cut more, some finish better. So if you're using the wrong one thinking you're fixing scratches, you might just be making the paint look worse. That's why we always match the polish to the condition of the paint. Now watch how he's about to spread it. Low speed first, no pressure, just guiding the machine. You don't fight the machine, you work with it. If you're pressing too hard, you're not polishing anymore. You're stressing the paint. And trust me, paint is expensive. You don't want to learn that lesson the hard way. Another mistake people make, staying in one spot too long. This is not ironing clothes. You don't pause in one place. Keep it moving, nice and steady, overlapping passes so everything blends properly. Because if you don't, you'll leave marks, and the car will look worse than before you started. And here's the part nobody tells you. Polishing is not about making the car shiny, it's about correcting the surface. The shine comes after you do it properly. So if your car is still dull after polishing, it's not the polish, it's the technique. That's why steps like this matter. And by the end of this, you're going to see exactly why taking your time in the beginning makes the biggest difference in the final result. Jake's still polishing, and you can already see the difference. The shine is starting to come back to life. He's keeping the machine moving, nice and controlled. That's how you avoid heat damage and get a smooth, even finish. Look at the way he overlaps each pass. That's what removes those swirl marks properly. No rushing, no random movement, just clean, consistent technique. Now check this reflection. This is what we call depth. This is what makes your car look brand new again, like a mirror. Faded or full of scratches like this one did, we can fix that. If you're interested in getting your car polished, comment down below or send me a message. The first few people will get a special price. Let's bring your car back to life.
Shadows on the wall, they echo what we do. Every step is closer, I can't pull away from you. reaching for the flame, I wanna feel it now. Your whispers cut like glass, every promise built to shatter.